ADP-FLO, as you guys read from the title. Yes, it's finally you're gonna jump to the hype. Okay, still late though, but not too late like Naruto. But right now I'm here and I wanted to see how much of a hype this anime is having. So without further ado, let's just go and watch it. Let me go check at the lamp and also the camera. Let's go. Let's see how good this anime is. What genre this anime is even like all about? Like horror, gore, serial killer. Oh my god.
Share with you all about this amazing Dakimakura that I ordered from Dakimakura.com, and I got myself Zhongli in peach skin together with the pillow, and it arrived so fast and so smooth. Look at this printing, you guys, and look at the pillow. It's so smooth and fluffy. I really love it. So let's review it together, okay? Let's take a look at the printing quality. It is very good, detailed and very HD on both sides. And take a look at the picture, you guys. Look, it's really smooth, really nice. I love it very much. The hidden zipper also really sewed nicely and didn't hurt the skin at all when got touched. Both sides sew properly, and that's what makes this Dakimakura it's so comfortable. Like, look at this, you can't even tell that there's a zipper in there. So it's really comfortable on the skin, and I really love about this Dakimakura, particularly from anime Dakimakura.com. My Dakimakura made of peach skin material, that's why it is so smooth and very nice looking. Also, you guys, they have very good service as well. Plus, they have weekly Dakimakura giveaways too on their Facebook social media. So go check that out as well. What do you use on your Dakimakura? If you ask me, easy, you can work with it. You can also watch your favorite anime with it. Also, obviously, sleep with it. And of course, you can eat with your Dakimakura. That's what I'm talking about, yes. And if you want to get this Dakimakura too, just like me, you guys can use my code ADP-FLO and get 10% discount code. So enjoy and get yourself your favorite Dakimakura, okay? They have tons of like design, characters, from game, anime, everything that you want. Get it right now, okay? And also show me that if you already got your Dakimakura, tag me on your social media. And yeah, I wanted to see which Dakimakura that you chose, okay?
Bro, the voice is too loud. I think this is enough.
仕事行くか。
Have to work. Okay. What are we going? Alright. This is the main character. I suppose so, cause I know the main character is a yellowish hair.
この間売った腎臓が120万。
You're selling kidney?
右
Wow.
目がいくらで
Oh my god, that's the orange. That's
10万もしなかったんだっけ。
Pochita, right?
残りの借金が3804
Oh
万
my
円。
god. Oh, that's Pochita, you guys. Oh my god, that's supposed to be a dog.
ポチタ、分かってるって。さっさと殺しちまうか。
Oh, that is Pochita.
悪
Oh
魔を
my
一
god.
体殺せば。
What the frick?
復活するんで。
The
焼いといてくだ
tomato
さい。
devil, you guys. Oh.
よくやったデンジ
Denji, yes, the name is
闇市でこいつ
Denji.
の死体を売りゃ相当いい値になる報酬は40万だ
おざっす。
そこから借金と利子引いて
Oh, he's wearing
17
eye
万
patch.
さらに仲介手数料と事務手数
Did
料
not notice that.
管理調整費その他もろもろ
Wow, so many cuts off, sir.
残りが7万
And live with
この7
17
万から水
songs.
道代を払って他んとこにしてる借金を払うと不思議だ
Oh
な
my god, so cute.
もう残り1800円になっちゃう
おい犬このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ
マジっすかいただきます
Seriously?
あ
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ逃げたら豚の餌だからな
That's evil.
へえね
100 yen for 3 days.
この間聞いたんだけ
You
ど
guys
さ
eat.
普通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜまあ俺たちは普通
How he is eating with that kind of mouth?
死ぬまで借金返し
He
終
is
わり
eating bread, you guys. Look at that.
俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな
Storage? Forgotten storage?
夢叶うなら
I don't know.
女抱いてから死にてえな
Is that what you dream? Is that your dream?
うちに首吊りやがって
His father?
物乞いするなり体売るなりして明日まで70
Whoa.
万用意しろじゃなきゃお前の
Bro, your car is on top of the grass. Wow, his father have a lot of loads, by the way. Oh. You're such a cute devil. We're not scared of you. Ah! What happened? Oh! Oh my god, he looks so cute. I love that the back area have like the handle of a saw. Oh, Chainsawman, that's why. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, that's a cute chainsaw though.
腹減って眠れ
You
ね
might
え
want to stay away from that.
寝れねえと借金
Saw
の
when
こ
you
と
sleep.
考えてもっと寝れねえ決めた今日寝たら見る夢食パンにジャム塗ってポチタと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだいいだろ
It's making a dog sound as well. Oh.
デンジ悪魔が出た仕事だぞ
Okay. Where are they going? Okay, suppose there's gonna be devils in here. Looking like a forgotten warehouse or like place.
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか
Akuma.
俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ
Oh, it's a trap. I smell a trap.
犬みてえに従順だし
I smell a
犬み
trap.
てえに安い報酬で働いてくれる
はあ
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ
Ooh. Ooh. Not through the cutie orangey saw though.
も
He himself a devil.
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力
Oh, you like that?
僕が望むのはデビルハンターの
Oh.
シー
Oh, there's a lot of them
デビル
actually.
ハンター君
Ew. Go! Go away, go away, go away. Oh my god, they're kind of slow, but then Denji is hardy as well, you guys. Okay, we're trapped. Oh crap. Ah! Behind you! Ooh! Animation is really good. Ew, oh my god! Oh my god! Are they gonna stab him to death? Whoa! That's kinda too much, isn't it, for killing just one person? And you summon all these zombies to like do the work? Whoa. That is so crazy. Oh, they're throwing out. They throw him out. In the garbage. Oh. Oh my god, the orangey. Oh. Hello.
ポチタ仕事に行くぜ
That is so good.
ポチタにそれができるんだったら俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ
Oh,
墓
hold on
入
a
った後だ
second.
ったらヤクザも追ってこれないだろそんでこの町を出てそんで普通の死に方をしてほしい
Oh my god, so cute. Round body, round
俺
eyes,
の夢を叶えてくれよ
half round smile. Oh my god, is Pochita gonna eat Denji then? Oh, ew! They're emerging! Oh, hello.
ポチタ俺の体ちゃんと奪えたか
Oh my god, I'm so shocked, you guys. He talked. He talked, you guys. Oh my god.
これは契約だ。
He can talk.
私の心臓をやる。代わりに、デンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
Oh, he gave the... Oh, orangey dude.
傷が
Oh my god. What the... Oh my god, that's the tail? Oh my god. It's in here. You guys killed the orangey. Pocha. I'm just gonna call him Pochi. I smell a moment for Denji to go cray cray.
恵まれてんのにもっといい生活を望んだ
Stay down.
俺も同じか
あっせんなら死ね
Oh, that's like the thing for like saw, you know what I mean? Let's go. Slice them up with the saw. Yes, we hear it. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go. Oh, that's the detail of it. Whoa, 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 whoa. My god, the animation, you guys, is so good. Look at that. Slap. Oh! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Woo! Ew, ew. 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go that. That reminded me of Zabuza scene. I don't know why. Ooh, ew. That looks like a intestine. Slash his height up. Oh my god. This is gory as hell. Wow. Sheesh.
あんたたちの方は心ま
I
で
guess
悪
you
魔に
guys
な
are
っちま
all
ったみたいだ
dumb,
ね
huh? Look at that. They're all
デビ
still
ルハンタ
lingering
ー
in
として
there.
雇われてるからに
Uh.
悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとね
Ooh, yes, finish them all. Kill all the devils. Yeesh. Okay, now I get it. Now I understand why this guy have a Chainsaw hand. I still wondering though why this anime is super hype. Okay, so let's see. This is the Yakuza. Look at that. Oh, is this Makima, you guys? Ooh. Oh, they're enemies? I thought they're like buddies. Okay, my bad. So they're enemies? Question mark. The eye and the long coat. Yeah, that's her. The what's that called? Hair braid. Yeah, it smells like iron. Blood. Smells like iron. That is her. I wouldn't do that. That's a lot of iron. I got my flu. Ew. It's all melted, you guys. Oh, she's gonna take care of him. I mean, let's go. Right now he's like all alone and have nobody, and even our orangey friend. Rice. Oh, bread with butter and whoa, okay. Look at the gory of this anime. Okay. Rar! Oh, it's up, you guys. Okay. Oh. Okay, nice episode. Okay. It's like introducing me on like literally like, oh my god. By the way, you guys, in just one episode, I get to learn like why this anime called Chainsawman in the first place, and Pochita and Denji like immersed together, and then so that means he's dead. Our orangey friend is dead, just like that, in one episode. And now I guess Makima's gonna take care of him under his corporation, I guess. I don't know what is that called. For killing devils, like devil hunter. Okay, noted. Interesting. Still a lot of like questions though, like mostly about like where this anime is gonna go. As far as like, you know, demon hunting, devil hunting. Is that same? Demon and devils huntings, right? And yeah, so far so good. I'm not gonna like stop right here, like, you know, talk too much about this episode, and let's just move on to second episode, you guys. Okay, I'll see you in the next episode. Okay, see you guys.